This Coldwell Banker Deborah Gandy property video is presented by Natalie Bedenbaugh. Country living at its best. This well-maintained home features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, open floor plan with split bedroom layout. Great curb appeal and mature lawn and landscaping. Hard surface driveway and parking pad completes this 2-acre lot. Attached 2-car garage, screened-in porch across this back. Granite counter with island, eat at bar top and kitchen. Call today and book an appointment, it will not last long. For more information, review the details below or contact Natalie Bedenbaugh at 843-861-1788.